Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play as piano accompaniment Uninvited by Alanis Morissette. I've left my other Alanis Morissette piano tutorials linked in the description. I'll just sing as a reference point, so let's dive in. So the key of this one isn't actually that simple. It kind of goes between D major and D Phrygian. So the central home key is sort of, I guess, left purposely ambiguous. Here is middle C as a reference. On the screen the left hand will be blue and the right hand will be orange. So we'll look at the intro first. The notes are on the screen, so it's simply D, A, B flat, A. And we do that twice. You can add pedal. Very haunting. And then we continue that on for the verse, so that's what the right hand's going to be doing, but then the left hand's going to be playing these chords. So we have D major, D, F sharp and A, so we go 1. Do that through twice. And then G minor, G, B flat and D, with 1 of this pattern. Then back to D major again, once. And then we start all of that again. So D major again. And then the next bit, so the right hand just carries on this motif. So we have D7, so we're going to play D, A, C in the right hand. For one of those. And then G major this time, so G, B and D. With one of these. And then D major again. With 2 of these. And then before the second verse starts, I'll play it first. So the right hand's coming down an octave and playing A, B flat, A. And the left hand is going D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A. So it fits together like this. So every time the thumb plays in the left hand, that's when you change a note in the right hand. Left, left, A, left, B flat, left, A, left. And you do that again. So I'll just demonstrate this from the intro all the way into where we've just gone to there, and then we'll have a look at this second verse. Now into the next verse. So I'm kind of just going to continue what we've just done there. The right hand's going to stay doing the same, the A, B flat, A, but the left hand we're going to have D, playing in fifths, just to help develop it a bit more, and then G, D, G in the same pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, back to D, A, D. So go through that twice, and then for the D7, I'm going to play D, A, C in the same pattern. And then G, D, G. And then D, A, D. So that's the left hand for this, how I'm going to play the second verse. So I'll just demonstrate this second verse then. Must be strangely exciting to watch the stoic squirm. Must be somewhat heartening to watch the shepherd need shepherd. But you're not allowed. You're uninvited and unfortunate. And then this is where we have the first instrumental. Obviously there's only so much we can do on the piano with this part because we have all sorts going on, bending strings and guitars and bass, and there's a lot going on. So I have simplified it to make it more playable on the piano. So we're just going to do the string notes that stick out as being like the main melody. So those notes are on the top screen there. So you don't have to play octaves, you can just play whichever singular notes you want. So for the left hand, I'm just going to play, only playing the chord D, A, D, the D5. Obviously just play D, A if you can't stretch the octave. So I'm going to play left hand first, and then D, G sharp, A, left hand, D, B flat, A, D, B flat, A, then left hand, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, B flat, D, C sharp, D, C sharp, D, left, G, E flat, A. So it's like very unnerving, very dissonant. So again, D, G, A. You can play the left hand really whenever you want in this. You can play at the start of every bar. So just play the left hand, I think, as often when you want to repeat the left hand. Do it again. And then we're into the third verse, which we're going to play the same as the second verse, but I'm going to move the left hand D, stay in this octave, like this, to keep the right hand where it is. So I'll just demonstrate this third verse, because there's nothing new. I've just moved the left hand down when we come to the D part instead of moving it up here. You could move the G down as well if you wanted to, or you could keep the G in this octave. Like any uncharted territory, I must seem greatly intriguing. You speak of my love like you have experienced love like mine. listen aloud. You're uninvited and unfortunate slight. And now into the second instrumental. So we're gonna, same as before, just keep the left hand doing this, the D, A, D, and now I will teach you the right hand part. I'm going to play in octaves, but you don't have to. So the notes are on the screen. So you have D's, E flat, D, C sharp, D. We'll do that again. E flat, D, C sharp, D, E flat, D, the notes. I'll do that again. And at the end we have this 5 times. So if I demonstrate with the left hand then, so the D's and the D5's coming together. Again, just play the left hand whenever you want to. Or you can play the left hand a bit more often. Don't think you unworthy. I need a moment to deliberate. Hold that D. And then it's the outro. So again, I've simplified this as well because it's like a big guitar solo. So in the left hand, I'm going to play the D, A, D, A, D, A, D, A pattern. In the right hand, I'm going to play A and D twice. And then B flat octaves, and then D, A octaves, D. But you can just play instead if you don't play octaves. So again, A, D, B flats, D, A, D. So I'm going to do this through 4 times so it sort of makes sense as a reasonable length outro, and then I will end on a D5 chord. So if I just demonstrate it. Strangely exciting to deliberate. That's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.